Remove the existing toilet seat from the toilet. You will be replacing the former toilet seat with a washlet. Insert the top mount rubber pieces into the toilet seat mounting holes and place the base plate over them. Insert the screws and tighten. Be sure that your base plate is tightly mounted on the toilet bowl. Now slide the washlet over the toilet towards the base plate. You should hear it click as the washlet slides into place. After turning off the water supply, install the junction valve beneath the toilet tank where the water line connects to the fill valve. Connect the hose from the washlet to the junction valve. Tighten and turn on the water supply. The washlet requires a GFCI outlet approximately 3 feet from the unit. The washlet is now ready for use. The washlet is also easy to clean. Using the quick release button, you can access the underside of the seat and easily clean surfaces. Enjoy an experience which perfectly merges the natural elements of water with innovative technology. The Washlet by TOTO. Cleanse and refresh.